मायनिंग सुरू करपाक सरकार सगळे वाटेनच्यान यत्न करीत आसा. गोंयांत आर्थीक संकट जावपाक लागला. त्या खातीर मायनिंग सुरू जावपाची गरज आसा. जानेर मेरेन वाट पळयतले. कोर्ट थाकाय दिनात तर मायनिंगा खातीर नवे थळावे मिनरल महामंडळ स्थापीत करपाचो वेळ आयिल्लो आसा. आरडीएक्सवा खातीर चिखलच्यान प्रसाद नायक.
सरकार सगळे प्रयत्न करता मायनिंग स्टार्ट करपाक. वी आर एक्सप्लोरिंग ऑल पॉसिबिलिटीज टू स्टार्ट मायनिंग. You know what has happened to Goa's economy. Literally we are borrowing every time. Even compensation cess came late this time. So we are going through a sort of financial crisis which we have to admit. And therefore what does it mean? Mining has to restart again. And for mining to restart again, government and the Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant has made full efforts. Matter came up in Supreme Court because of other important issues which are there at the moment. It got a little delayed. Perhaps it will be taken up in January. And if January or January end, we find that we'll see how it moves in the court. If we do not get relief, then I think it is time for the government to give relief to the people. That is what I have said, which is what I will take open stand from that time. That if we don't get relief from the courts, we have no alternative but to form a local mineral corporation and restart mining. Magir ane upay na.